Hi teacher, in this moment I present QOX. What is it really? My name is Laura Anila Correa. For first, QOX is a different terms where in the X refers to the different kinds of the quality that are present, such as service, experience, among that others, which are different components of the quality. Before talking about each of the qualities of service, it is important to know that when an organization writes the vision document account, the quality of the service it offers, it must first of all understand that service is considered a quality when it achieves its purpose, that is to meet the needs of customer, and now and the future. It is the most important when talk about the different qualities that exist. Okay, then I talk about of the rate of service. The rate of service is the probability of a call in a circuit group being blocked or delayed for than a specific interval, express a vulgar fraction or decimal fraction or different things that offer that fraction. This is always with reference to the basic hour when the traffic intensity is the greatest. The grade of service applies to a circuit switch for the networks and describe the phenomena that occur in the configuration, for example, that network size or different like that, and release and maintains that occurs in the connection. The grades of service parameters are, for example, the connection setup delay, end-to-end blocking probability, an authentication delay, and the probability of a breaking and active connections. And the grade of service is generate different that all of the networks for the customer and for the service. The next topic is the quality of resilience. The quality of resilience is very important because it's the survivability of the network against failures. Has a traditional been perceived as one of the dimensions of the quality of service. First, the resilience is extremely important to the society because the resilience are present all the problems that have the connections in different ways. The second is a wide range of survival mechanisms, providing a variable quality of service to a user that the resilient and area independent of the transmission. The quality of resilience is not the same as the quality of service or different qualities that present in that document. It does not have the same components, but it is very important in my point of view because science thanks to this quality, the problems against failures that occur in different areas are not faced of the different on the different some network sites of different things like that. Okay, then I talk about of the quality of service. The quality of service is the average performance of our telephone or computer network, particularly the performance seen by the network users. Quantitative is measures for the quality of service that are considered in some aspects of the network service, such as error rates, bandwidth, performance, transmission delay, availability, or jitter. The quality of service is important for the traffic transporting with the special requirements. In particular, many technologies have been developed to enable computers networks to be useful for different audio conversation of the supports of the new application that the service have demands. The quality of service is include requirements in all of the aspects of a connection, such as the service response time, loss, signal to noise, radio, a crustal, a choice, interruption, and something like that is a subcategory of the quality of telephone service. Is the service level requirements which comprise aspects of a connection related of the capacity that covers in a network of blocking like that. Those services that are ITU-UT, IETF, 3GPP, and IEEE are some service to the quality of service that is some different classes that present. Each one has some different requirements that help to make the objective that present of some different technological aspects and different some qualities that possible. The next topic is the quality of experience. The quality of experience has made a grown recently. The definition of quality of experience can be the general acceptability of an application of the service such as perceived by the end user. The perception of the quality depends initially of the source quality and is implied by all system elements involved in end-to-end service delivery, network, event codes, or something different like that. Quality of experience is the vision that users have on the performance of the systems, and the quality of the experience is a measure of the performance of the service level of the IPTV system from the user's perspective and indicates the way to which the system can know the user opinion of the quality of the content of the customer. Okay, the next topic is relationship between the quality of experience and intrinsic quality parameters. The set of evaluation of parameters depend on the type of service and several additional factors that include but not limit the purpose of the evaluation and how the service is provided. For example, different parameters will play an important role in the case of retransmission of TV satellite and some different technologies of internet. For example, a zapping time is almost impossible in the pure case, and some different areas to the evaluation and change are the technical deal with the engineer side of the application above, economical focus on the QX market aspects, and the legal covering a broad social context, the QX provision. The QFS are the all of the qualities that present in that document, and the competence of the different things are the majority of readers is limited to the scientist, and the technical that the precision depend to the network and independent technologies. Okay, and then for the conclusion, I think that the business perspective, the quality of service is used as a product offered to customers, and the broad meaning of QX are used to meet the quality of service, the grade of service, and the quality of realized, as well the quality of experience. The engineers should always distinguish them, and this article that read is providing two different aspects that associate with each other the different things of the quality. We cover the qualities of service are very important in the technology and in the time in which we find ourselves.